The Nigerian Union of Journalists have commended the Kogi State government for its giant strides in the health sector. The journalists made the commendation during a tour on government projects within the state capital. In their quest to explore, they have resolved through the press week to embark on visiting government projects. Our reporter has more.
It's the day 2 of the inspection of some of government projects in Kogi State by the executives and members of the Nigerian Union of Journalists. The visits to the renovated specialist hospital and the newly constructed administrative block of the same hospital in Lokoja got the attention of the NUJ, who commended the government for a job well done.
Very happy with the achievement of the present administration in the area of health. Health, they say, is wealth. And any investment in health is a worthwhile investment.
The Chief Medical Director of the hospital, Professor Yahaya, who was the tour guide, appreciated the journalists for taking time to visit and inspect the structures. He said the 150,000 bed facilities that has been restructured and remodeled by the governor has helped in the smooth running and services to the people compared to the previous situation.
With this, our services has been enhanced, and then of course we will now be able to offer services as a specialist hospital for which it is. We're still looking forward for more equipment, and then of course if it is possible we need the place to be expanded. But I've just told the chairman that the diagnosis center has just been handed over to us, and that will improve our duties, our work, yes, because our laboratories really need expansion. So with that approval, we'll be able to move in there with our laboratories and our radiology departments.
Professor Issa informed the journalists that the hospital now has about 20 specialties and 9 functioning units. On the issue of insufficient doctors, he said the management has received approval to replace doctors that's left for greener pastures abroad.
We have open approval to replace doctors that leave because of the high turnover of the movement of doctors outside the state. Of course, we conduct interview on almost monthly basis. Yeah, we just conducted one yesterday, and that's why we have been able to meet up with our demands.
Professor Adagiri commended the governor for his quick intervention across the 21 local government areas of the state. On the welfare of the staff, Professor Issa informed the NUJ that the state government is committed to encouraging productivity through the recent promotion exercises conducted, awaiting approval of the governor.
The hospital used to be specialist hospital by name, but by now, with the intervention, we'll be able to operate at a tertiary level. And of course, you're also aware that a reference hospital has been built in Okene with the state-of-art equipment that can rival any hospital within the country. And then, of course, that's not just a place. We have also hospitals in Gegu, we have in Ida, we have in Insondu, and in Jakuta local government, all in the health sector. So we cannot thank His Excellency enough, because even with the serene environment, the workers are very happy discharging their work at their best. We have just conducted the promotion exercises and made our submission beginning of last week. We are expecting approval from His Excellency any moment from now.
The chairman of the NUJ Kogi State, Adiza Momojimo, said the union is pleased with Governor Yahaya Bello for a significant impact in the health sector, which is evidently seen across the state.
Going by the various interventions we have seen across the state, we have seen that the governor has done very well in the area of health, and that's why going into this press week of the union, we have not only chosen to go around the health institution in the state to see for ourselves what the governor has been able to do. We have also enlisted the governor for our award for what he has been able to do in the health sector. Like I was talking to you before now, I said with what we have seen at the Okene Reference Hospital, it is in a class of its own. We have gone to various places, we have seen health facilities. I think, like you said, that of Okene is one that is outstanding.
The chairman urged the government to build a sustainable relationship with the press in the state for efficient reportage of government intervention and activities. Matthias Ayodeji Peter.